sorry, Cash. All right, I'm gonna start moving stuff over. So I got 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Somebody check me on that, make sure that's right. Now let's do quadratic form. I got 1/2 and 3 for my answers. James, check me on that. That's good. All right, you got one pretty much like that. That one wasn't a bad one. You got one more that's kind of tough. All right, let's go to number 2. I think it's harder. All right, I'm going to let y'all skip number 3. Mark it out. I'll let you skip that one. All right, so our common denominator should be a plus 3 and a minus 5. So I've written it above each fraction. Do that and I'll wait on it. All right, so let's watch this first part right here. Look, nothing cancels, guys, on that first fraction. So what do? You've got to first distribute 2 with the first one. That will be 2a plus 6, bring it down. Then I bring down the a minus 5. Now, before I do anything else, I've got to FOIL those together and bring it down. Do it. FOIL it and bring it down. All right, so y'all should have brought down 2a squared minus 10a plus 6a minus 30. All right, then your equal sign. All right, second fraction. I can cross out the a plus 3's, distribute my a now, and you should have a squared minus 5a. All right, this next part is where I'm concerned y'all are going to mess up. Mark out your a minus 5's. What do I distribute? Don't forget that's negative 3. Don't forget about the negative or you're going to miss the whole problem. So negative 3a and then minus 9. All right, move everything over to the left. Combine your like terms, do quadratic formula. I'm going to show you one more on the front before we do something. What'd y'all get inside this square root symbol on this one? 100 even? All right, so that goes to 10. Negative 4 plus or minus 10 over 2. All right, I got 3. Negative 7. Check that for me, somebody. 3 and negative 7. All right, so those are your answers on 2. All right, so I'm letting y'all skip 3. I think 4 is pretty easy. 5 is really easy. 6 is the last one I want to show you on the front. So let's go to 6. Even if you're not on 6, let's go ahead and go to 6. All right, so everybody's looking at 6, right? Ashland, we're looking at 6. All right, look, find me the one I can factor out on the bottom. Which fraction? First one, second one, or third one? Second one. It's the only one with the w squared, right? Now, there is one just like this on the midterm. I looked at it this morning. How do I factor that out? What can I do to it? Take out a w. You'll end up with w minus 2. And remember, when you factor it out, most every time it's what the bottom on the other ones are anyway. So now what's my common denominator? W and W minus 2. All right, and I'm going to let you guys try it from here. Do your crossing out. I didn't try this one this morning. All right, so my W's canceled. I got W minus 2. W plus 3. Got to pull that out. I got W squared plus 1W minus 6. Make sure y'all don't forget to bring down your minus with your 12 right there. All right, that wasn't bad. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to let y'all move everything over to the left side and do quadratic formula. I got negative 12, add them up, 36. Hey, Cameron, when you get done, just set it right here for me on my desk. All right, so now we're going to take our quadratic formula and do these three right here. We got negative 4 plus or minus. If we didn't learn anything else in this class, we should be pretty good at quadratic formula.
You got to set it where?
Right there on my grade book. You know, Cameron?
No, I'm on.
Okay, see you later. All right, so I'm going to let y'all finish that one up by yourself. Everybody good on 9? All right, so next one I got for you. Do I need to wait on you? Good. Next one I got for you is number 11. Now, how many answers is number 11 going to have? It's going to have 3 again, but this time they don't give you that first number, so we got to start trying numbers. All right, which number should we try first? 1. What if positive 1 doesn't work? Negative. Try negative 1. What if negative 1 don't work? Positive 2 and negative 2, and keep going.
What did you get for number 9?
I didn't do it. My board shut off. Check Hunter's paper. He's probably got it. Guys, on number 11, did anybody get 0? Yeah. Y'all got 0? Okay, so negative 4 plus or minus 0 over 2. So first answer is negative 2, and second answer is negative 2. I got the same answer on 11 for both of them. Again, 2 of those on your test tomorrow. All right, do I need to stop and answer any questions? You good?
Yes.
All right, next one. Let's go to 13. Now, 13 is different. We've got to look and see why it's different. How many answers does 13 have? Still got 3, but what's different about it? Everything has an x this time. So take an x out. You do this one different. 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. All right, so Alex, what's my answer for the x that's in front? That one's x equals 0, and now just do quadratic formula with that. So this one's actually, I think this one's faster, probably a little easier. But you got to notice if everything's got an x, you got to do it this way. If not, do it like number 11. All right, so do that one. We'll check it. Got to divide it by 12. Why, James? Because there's 12 months in a year. You do a house payment every month. All right, so 0.048 divided by 12 is. I got 0.004. Check me.
Yes.
All right, so I got to put that in for both i's in the formula. All right, so that's one special change you had to make. The other special change goes right here. All right, do y'all remember what the N stands for right here? N stands for what?
Number of payments.
Number of house payments, which is really number of months. All right, well, it doesn't give us number of months, it gives us number of years. It says 25.
You gotta tell me
So 25 times 12 is?
300.
So that'd be a negative 300 in that spot. And remember, we don't know why it's a negative. It's in the formula. All right, that's how you set it up. Next, y'all have to type the right side into your calculator without making a mistake. And after that, it's easy. So I'm going to type it in right now. All right, I got 174.521. Last step, you just divide. Put 253,000 in your calculator on top. Put 174.521 on bottom. And my house payment is $1,449.68. All right, this is going to be the only problem on your midterm that will not be multiple choice tomorrow. You're going to have to work out a house payment. I'll give you the formula. But you're going to have to do a house payment problem.
Like that.
Just like that. All right, I'll try number 10 now. We'll see what the mistake is. All right, so 10, I put 6 in the box. 2, -3, -5, -18, 72. That's 2, 12, 9, 54. Wow. Woo. Okay. Let's look at the answer sheet on that one. It's possible I made a boo-boo.